Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see Artificial Intelligence Part B, Unit 2 AI Project Cycle. Let us assume that you have to make a greeting card for your mother as it is her birthday. You are very excited about it and have thought of many ideas to execute the same. Let us look at some of the steps which you might to take accomplish this task. First step, look for some cool greeting card ideas from different sources. You might go online and check out some videos, or you may ask someone who have knowledge about it. Second step, after finishing the design, you would make a list of things that are required to make this card. And the third step, you will check if you have the material with you or not. If not, you could go and get all the material which is required and ready for use. And the fourth step, once you have everything with you, you would start making the card. And the fifth step, if you make any mistake in the card somewhere which cannot be rectified, you will discard it and start remaking it. These are the steps we are going to follow to make a greeting card. So in the same way, while developing any AI based project model, we need to follow some steps. First of all, we will know what is a project. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, a service, or a result. It can be defined as a series of activities which is aimed at bringing about clearly specified objectives within a defined period and defined budget. A project is a unique set of coordinated activities or jobs with defined starting and ending points undertaken by the individual or a group or organization to meet specific objects with defined schedule, cost and performance parameters. There are two types of approaches to be followed. First one is the predictive, a plan-driven approach, or an adaptive or change-driven approach. In predictive or plan-driven approach, whole focus is on keeping the plan up to date and executing what's on the plan. And change-driven approach, focus will be on doing the minimum planning and setting up the environment to quickly react and adapt to changes in priority, scope and resources. In project cycle management, there are 5 stages involved. The first one is the problem scoping, and the second one is the data acquisition, and the third one is the data exploration, fourth one is the data modeling, and the fifth one is the evaluation. Let us discuss one by one. What is problem scoping? Problem scoping is understanding a problem and finding out various factors which affect the problem. Define the goal or aim of the project. The next one, data acquisition. It is a process of collecting accurate and reliable data to work with. Data can be in the format of text, video, images, audio, and so on. And the third stage is the data exploration. So in this one, we'll be using techniques and tools to visualize the data through complex and statistical methods. The next stage is the modeling. To build an AI-based project, you need to work around models or algorithms to predict the output for a given set of inputs. This could be done either by designing your own model or by using the pre-existing AI models. And the last step is the evaluation. After you have completed all the cycles of the AI project cycle, it is very important to keep evaluating your model to ensure that the results are working well with the new data. If there are variances between the training data set and the testing data set, keep iterating on the model to improve.